Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear learners and viewers, how are you? I think all are in a good mood. So, dear students, let us enter to our class. Welcome to our class. Teachers ID. I am Muhammad Ashraful Islam Asha, lecturer in English, Abu Bakr Bishash Maqsid Ali College, Safrail Kaligans, Zenaidaho. So, what should be our discussion matter? Class declaration, subject English, paper second, class 11 and 12 item transformation of sentences, question number 6. Dear learners, transformation of sentences is a vast part of our second paper, but today we will discuss only a simple part and how easy it can be done. And today we should discuss very easy rule to transfer a sentence from one form to another form. Let us enter to another slide. That means today we will learn something about transformation of sentence from a simple to compound and from compound to complex. You know that there are many rules of transforming sentence from simple to compound or compound to complex. The most simple thing. Before entering to our class, we have to know what is a simple sentence. A simple sentence is a sentence which contains a subject and a finite verb. And compound sentence dependent clause. It contains two clauses. Both of the clauses are independent. Complex sentence, also complex sentence contains two clauses, but one clause is independent and another clause is dependent. That means one clause can complete its meaning and another clause depends on the principal clause, that means completed clause, to reveal its meaning. So, dear learners and viewers, we have to follow some rules to transfer the sentences. If we get var plus ing or by plus var plus ing in a simple sentence, the clue to transfer this sentence. I am again telling you that if we get or find var plus ing or by plus var plus ing in a simple sentence, we transfer the sentence in order to transfer the sentence to compound, we use and at the middle of the two independent clauses. And in this situation, if we get or find and in a compound sentence, we use as or since at the beginning of the sentence, as, since, and when, and we use comma marks after the first clause. So let us see an example and understand the matter. What should be it? Dear viewers and learners are looking at a sentence. The sentence is simple. Flying from flower to flower, the bee collect honey. That red mark is given to flying. That means fly plus ing. Fly plus ing. Uh, According to the rule, we know that verb plus ing. In this situation, we use and at the place of comma marks, and we make two independent clauses here. So, at the place of the comma marks we use and. What should be the compound form of this sentence? Let us see it. The bee fly from flower to flower and the bee collect honey. Here you see that flying is in simple sentence, flying from flower to flower. The bee collect honey. The subject of the two part is bee. The first part flying from flower to flower. So we use bee as a subject to the first part, the bee. and fly itself should be a verb. Flying transfer itself to fly. The bee fly from flower to flower, comma, and the bee fly from flower to flower. The bee collect honey. The compound form the bee fly from flower to flower. That means we use the bee as a subject and flying as a verb. From flower to flower, where in simple sentence we get here comma marks, and instead of comma marks we use and collect honey. The B also used here in a bracket to show you that the subject of the two parts are the same. But here we avoid the B, the sentence should be correct. So it is very simple for you that flying from flower to flower, this part transferred itself, the bee fly from flower to flower, and instead of comma we use and, the bee collect honey. That means bee collect honey means only collect honey can be used here. The correct answer should be the bee fly from flower to flower and collect honey. So what should be the complex form of it? The complex form of it is very easy. I already told you that we have to use as, since or when at the first part of the sentence, and we use a comma marks instead of and. Where we use and, we use a comma marks there instead of and. So what should be the answer? Please we see. As the bee fly from flower to flower, the bee or they collect honey. In complex sentence, subject of in the two parts should be taken. The main thing here that flying is giving red mark and is giving red mark, and in the complex sentence as also given red marks. Here we say that from compound to complex we avoid and use comma marks there, and at the first of the first clause we use as. So from simple to compound to and from compound to complex, the sentence itself become flying from flower to flower, the bee collect honey. Compound form, the bee fly from flower to flower and collect honey. And complex form of the sentence is as the bee fly from flower to flower, they collect honey or they can collect honey. So, dear learners, I think you have understood something rules of the sentence. If we say ing or verb plus ing in the simple sentence, how can it itself be transferred to compound or complex? Simple sentence: standing in front of the graves, we bow down our heads. The same rule, I request you to realize the rules and make it yourself to compound sentence. Standing in front of the graves, we bow down our heads. Here, stand is a verb and ing has been used here. So, stand it should be a main verb to in a compound forms, and should be used instead of comma marks. And as the subject of the two part is same, we must use the subject at first of the two clauses. So what should be the compound form of the sentence? Let us see. We stand in front of the graves and we bow down our heads. In the next part, we can avoid the subject we, because the subject of the two part are the same. So what should be the complex form of the sentence? You know that in order to make a complex from compound, if we get and, we use as, since or when at the first, and we use a comma mark instead of and. So it is very simple or very easy for you. Let us see what should be the complex form of it. When we stand in front of the graves, that means we use as, since or when, any of the three subordinating conjunction. We use here when we stand in front of the graves, we bow down our heads. We use a comma marks instead of and. In the last part, we can with the subject in complex sentence subject should be used in order to make the meaning clear. Let us see some other examples in next slide. Simple by dumping oil, food waste and human waste into rivers and canals. Water vehicles pollute river water by dumping oil. Dumping, dump plus ing, the same rule. So we avoid by and ing. We use the subject here, and to transfer to compound we use and instead of comma marks after the first part of the sentence. What should be the compound? Compound water vehicles. Water vehicles is the subject which is given in the second part of the sentence. Water vehicles dump oil, food waste and human waste into rivers and canals and pollute river water. Here we can use water vehicles or sometimes we can avoid it. So what should be the compound form? It is also very simple for you because we use as or since or when at the in front of the first clause, and we use a comma mark instead of and. All the things are same. Since water vehicles dump oil, food waste and human waste into rivers and canals, comma, water vehicles pollute river water. We can use here the instead of water vehicles. So, we practice for you having patriotic zeal, they fought for the country. Have plus ing, having patriotic zeal, they fought for the country. I think you have completed the sentence. You have transferred the sentence from simple to compound already. So, what should be the compound form of it? Realizing it, we should try to be emotionally balanced. Next part, by throwing waste into water when pollute it. So these sentences are for your practice, and it is very easy. It will be very easy for you to transfer the simple sentence from simple to compound to complex. Okay, dear learners and viewers, these are the all for you today. Thank you very much, and I request you to sanitize your hand with sanitizer, and I also request you to wear masks when you go out of your home and keep yourself safe from all kind of disease and germs. Thank you very much.